Meaning of historic.
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 Historic. The word historic means having great importance or significance in history. It refers to events, occasions, or moments that are noteworthy, memorable, and influential, often marking a turning point or reshaping the course of history. Historic can also refer to buildings, landmarks, or sites that have historical value and are worthy of preservation. In essence, anything that has contributed significantly to shaping the past, present, or future can be described as historic. Overall, the term historic carries with it a sense of weightiness, importance, and relevance to human history.